Welcome back to the Threads channel. Today we are going to be digitizing this crown logo. We will start by placing down our fill lines. We want them overlapping with the exterior of the design to prevent gaps. Next we will place our crown point fill lines. We want them overlapping the outline, but not overlapping our first fill to prevent gaps. Now to place our 3-point columns. This part can be a little tricky due to the angles we need our corners filled with. For our corners, we want to place the columns in 3 shapes. 2 to angle our stitches, 1 to straighten it out. We can always revise our work after digitizing is complete to ensure straight stitches. We will circle our columns around the point as we go to maintain consistency of the stitches. For cylinders inside the crown, we will structure them similarly to how we did our corners. 2 columns to curve, 1 to straighten it out. Now to add the columns on the crown curves. Now our crown is complete. Let's take a peek at how our 3D view looks. Looking good.